Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you all how I am making my wash day a little bit shorter. If you're anything like me, I hate wash day. In any way I can cut out a step to make my wash day go a lot faster, I will. So if you're interested in seeing what I do different, then keep watching because I'm going to get started right now. So I am getting ready to wash out a 7-day-old flat twist out. I did this twist out using Miche products. If you have not seen this video, then I will link it up in the cards above. Right here, I am just wetting my hair. You all know from watching my previous wash day videos that it takes a while for my hair to actually absorb the water. So I'm just kind of lightly finger detangling and just trying to get the water into my strands and get my hair as wet as I possibly can. Once I got my hair soaking wet, I am going in with Shea Moisture's High Slip Detangling Shampoo. This is my first time using this shampoo, you guys, and from the texture you can tell, that it is very creamy. So I was actually looking forward to using this to see if it was actually going to be a good, have a good slip on it, and I'll tell you why in just a little bit. Now, I do, once again, wash my hair twice. So the first time, as you can see, my hair is not going to suzz up that good because it is dirty. It has a lot of product on it. I did use quite a bit of the Miche twisting butter. So I do have a lot of product on my hair. So I'm just going to work that in real good to make sure I get that product out of my hair. So I will wash it again after this, and you'll see in the next clip that it is going to be a whole lot more suzzier than this, and it will be white. The suds will be white. It will be a lot of suds, and that's how I know that my hair is clean. Now, as far as the slip on this shampoo, y'all, I was a little disappointed. I thought with it being creamy and silky that it was going to be like some awesome slip on this shampoo, but to be honest, it felt just like any other Shea Moisture shampoo that I've used before in the past. I didn't see where it had, a really good slip. I've used shampoos that had better slip than this one right here. It was moisturizing. It did not strip my hair, so I did like that. But as far as it being high slip, to me, for my hair, it wasn't. So that, like I said, that was a little disappointing. But I did like the fact that it did not strip my hair because, as you all know, I do have shampoos that do strip my hair, so I am trying to find more moisturizing shampoos, and this one, it was okay as far as moisture. Okay, so now that my hair is super clean, here is where things change. Now after this, I usually go in with a conditioner to detangle my hair. But now I am not going to be going in with a conditioner. I am going to detangle my hair with my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush while I am rinsing the shampoo out the second time. So once again, while I am rinsing the shampoo, I am detangling my hair. I started doing this because, like I said, I'm trying to cut my wash day short, and I don't necessarily see where there was any difference in me detangling it this way versus using a conditioner. The products that I use are pretty much like very moisturizing, so that's why I started doing it this way and skipping the conditioner part. So this was the reason why I was disappointed with that high slip shampoo, because when detangling your hair with a shampoo, you definitely want to make sure that you have some good slip on your shampoo. And with that, not having that slip like I thought it was going to have, I did struggle just a little, but not too much. I still was, able to detangle my hair pretty good while running my hair underneath the shower and rinsing this shampoo out. So next time I'll use a different shampoo besides this one, because I do have shampoos that do have better slip on them than this one right here. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and finish detangling my hair while I am rinsing out this shampoo. Now, one thing that I noticed while, since I started detangling my hair while I'm rinsing out my shampoo, is that I don't get as much breakage. I don't get as much shedding. So I actually only lose a little bit of hair. And you'll see in the upcoming clip how much hair came out while I was detangling my hair. And you guys, I have to say, this is like the less hair that I have ever, lost while detangling my hair, because when I do it with a conditioner, I lose way more hair than this right here. So I was so happy when I saw that little bit of hair in my brush. So now that I have rinsed out the shampoo and detangled, now I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections to go in with my deep conditioner. The deep conditioners that I'm going to be using is my oldies. You all know I love these 2 deep conditioners. It's the Shea Moistures Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask, along with the Shea Moistures Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. You all know I always mix these 2 together. So what I did was just got a little plastic bowl, and I just put them in the bowl and just went on and mixed them together. That way I wouldn't have to be scooping some out of each one. So I am just going to go ahead and put this on all 4 of my sections. After I get it on all 4 sections, I'm going to put this plastic cap on my head. I forgot to get my grocery bag, so I'm just going to put the plastic cap on my head, and I'm going to sit underneath my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes. After sitting under the dryer, I'm just going to rinse out my deep conditioner, and I've said in the past, I do take a little while, just a few minutes to rinse out each section, because I am the queen of leaving deep conditioner in my hair. When I think I am done, I always end up having some product left. So I just have to make sure that I have it out really, really good. And then I'm just going to show you guys what my hair looks like after I finish deep conditioning. And then I am just going to finish rinsing out the next the next 3 sections of my hair. After rinsing out my deep conditioner, I am going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. I told you all I like to put my leave-in conditioner on in the shower because I just feel like my hair absorbs it and soaks it up a whole lot better. So the leave-in that I'm going to be going in with is my new favorite leave-in, Miche leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff because it is so moisturizing. So I am just going to put this on each section of my hair and work that in really, really good. And then I'm just going to twist it back up. So you guys, this is what I do different now when I wash my hair in the shower. I have stopped washing my hair at the sink. I now just wash it in the shower, and eliminating that one step did help my wash day to go a little bit faster. I'm still trying to perfect it, that way I can get done a whole lot faster. But like I mentioned earlier, not using a conditioner to detangle my hair didn't do anything different. My hair was still super moisturized because I always use moisturizing products. So this will be the new way that I wash my hair now, and I love it. It's like I said, it's a little bit faster. So I hope this video was helpful. Maybe you'll give it a try, maybe you won't. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments for me, leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. And I will see you all in my next upload. Bye.